Hi, hello, welcome to this channel. On today's video, I will show you the tips how to organize your Notebook LM properly. I use Notebook LM, I think, for a year, and I love it so much that Notebook LM is very good product, I think, from AI things on this era. So the first thing you have to know that you can sort your Notebook LM whether on most recent or you just on title. This is very helpful. And then since the title feature or sorting by title is there, what you have to do, you just make a prefix on each your notebook. And for instance, I will add docs for documenting the something documentation from API or something that from official website. And also I could add, like, say, for myself, this is my name, gr, and so, and then fam is family, and then learn when I want to learn something, learn Dreamina, learn PPT AI, short labs, and also I can make my projects by add the prefix project, and so. So the thing is, you have to add one word on your the beginning of your notebook title. That's the first thing. I think you have to organize your notebooks properly. And then the second thing, now Notebook LM has this option, pin to top, which is, I know for many people that open this particular notebook several times, you can do pin to top, which is anything on your notebook LM sorting, you can directly to your pinned notebook LM. So that's it. That's how I organize my notebook LM properly, and it could boost my productivity about, let me say, about 15%. Okay, thank you for watching. See you in the next video. I hope it's helpful for you. Bye bye.